If you're in the market for a little tripod for either your DSLR mirrorless or your smartphone, here is what I recommend. It's a new brand, really punching above its weight for price and quality. K&F Concept comes in a little box with a case for the tripod. Got a little handle that you can carry. You can take off the clips quite easily, but shoulder strap, super light. Hey Google, what's 3.3 pounds?
3.3 pounds is equivalent to 1.497 kilograms.
Okay, here she is. It's an unusual setting where it's got to be flipped upside down like so, but it makes it super short and compact when it's in a bag. It goes up to 2 meters. It's got nice firm pieces that you can stick into the ground really well. You can actually unscrew them so that that knob isn't digging in if it's on a flatter surface. So here's the tripod. Undo the lock latches. Do that 3 times. So it's this long. The cons that I'm finding so far is that it doesn't have a handle for panning and tilting, but the construction as a pro is absolutely solid as a rock. It feels really, really good. Undoing a tiny little screw here allowed me to take off the base plate, and then I just grabbed my phone attachment. The ball head will allow you to do portrait mode videos and photos as well, which is super cool. It feels very fluid and firm, but not too loose, and I can tighten that up so it doesn't move at all. Really, really fantastic construction. It has measurements for degrees here, so I can practice my pans and know when to start and stop. It does have the little leveler, but I always find that they really don't do too much. If it's a bit of a windy day, you might want to put a bag or weight down on this little hook so that it stabilizes the tripod just a little bit more. If you need to adjust the height, instead of trying to adjust it with the 3 legs, you just undo this orange bit just here and it will release it, so you've got an extra 40 centimeters of height change there. Really, really firm. One other thing that I'm super keen to try out is if you want to do videoing from above, say for example you're doing a arts demonstration or some cooking videos or something like that, you can put the tripod legs up back to almost closed when we first opened it, and then have the camera underneath, so you can lock the camera so it's nice and tight looking down. Your phone will be looking down there, and you could extend the legs to be 1.5 meters up. Now it doesn't lock into place when it's like this, so you do have to be careful, but I find that it is so firm that I do have to engage muscles to do that. Like I can't push very easily with one finger. So it is super firm and tight. It also does come with an Allen key to make these pivot points tighter if they become loose over time. So yeah, I'm absolutely thrilled with this K&F Concepts tripod. I'd recommend for the price of around $130 to $150. There'll be a link in our description down below. Grab yourself one of these. Cheaper versions that I do see on the market, they just don't come anywhere near the reliability, construction, lightweight and ease of use as this one does.